Morning. In today's video, we will be doing expansion formulas. Some of the identities which you have learned in the lower classes, we will once again revise it and go ahead in this year's portion. So let us first see one of the identities which you had seen in the lower classes, that is a plus b the whole square. So how do you expand this is, we square the first number to get the first term, that is a square, and then there is a plus sign in between, so we put a plus sign here. Then since this is a square, we start from here 2 multiplied by the first number a, then multiplied by the second number b. So we get 2ab and plus the second term square, that is b square. Always remember that a square and b square terms can never be negative. They will always be positive. So let's just see very quickly one or two examples about this, how we do it. Let us say we have x plus 3 the whole square. Now, using this formula, how do we expand it? So, if you will compare it with the formula, instead of a, we have x, and instead of b, we have 3. So, wherever in the formula we have a, we will be putting x. So, now this term is a, and this term is b. So, let's use the formula. First term is a square. So, we get x square. Second term will be 2 into x into 3, right? 2ab plus the last term is b square. B square is 3 square is 9. So we just rearrange the term. 2 into 3 is 6. So we get 6x plus 9. So this is how we get our expansion using a plus b the whole square. Let's take one more example. Let us say 2x minus 4y the whole square. Sorry, we'll use the plus first. Okay, so this is also a plus b the whole square. Now for me in this equation, a is the complete 2x and b is the complete 4y. So my first term is a square. So a square is 2x the whole square. So the square is not only for x but it will be also for 2. Next term is 2ab. So we start from here. 2 multiplied by a. A is 2x multiplied by b. B is 4y plus last term is b square, that is 4y the whole square. So let's open this now. 2x raised to 2. So you have to square both the terms which are there inside the bracket. So 2 square means 2 into 2, which is 4. X will become x square plus. Now we will multiply all these numbers that we have. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. X into y is xy. And again here, this square is for both 4 as well as y. So we square both the terms. 4 square means 4 into 4 is 16. Y into y is y square. So this is how we expand a plus b the whole square. Now let us see the next identity which you have already learned, which is a minus b the whole square. The formula remains the same except for the middle number where we have a plus sign. In this formula, we will be having a negative sign. So square of the first term a square. Then since there is a minus sign, we put a minus sign. Then again we start from here. 2 into a into b and b square. As I have already told you, a square and b square can never be negative. So whether it is a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, these two terms will always be positive. It is only the 2ab term which will become negative here because of this minus, and it will be plus here because of this plus. So this is the expansion of this identity. So let us see, solve some examples. Let us say x minus 4 the whole square. Now here, this term is a and this term is b. So in my formula, the first term is a square. So x square. Next, minus 2 into a is what? X into b. Into b is 4 plus b square. B is 4. So 4 square. Let's solve it out. 4 into 2 will be 8. So we get minus 8x and 4 square is 16. So this is how we get our expansion formula. So you can see the middle number we are getting negative and here it was positive. Let's very quickly do one more example. Let us say 3x minus 2 the whole square. Now again, formula is a square. So my a is 3x square minus this 2 into a. A is 3x into b. Into b is 2 plus 2 square, that is b square. So now we square both the terms inside the bracket. So it becomes 9x square. and we multiply all these numbers. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12x, and 2 square is 4. So this is how you get an expansion of a minus b the whole square. Let's go to the next identity, which is a minus b and a plus b. Now you can see here in both the brackets, the first number should be same and the second number also should be same. And in one bracket, there should be a minus sign and second bracket should be a plus sign. It can be like this, or it can be a plus b and a minus b. What it means is that first number should be same, second number should be same, and one bracket should have plus, one bracket should have minus. It doesn't matter whether in the first bracket it is minus or plus, the other bracket should have the opposite sign. So for these two, the formula becomes a square minus b square. That is just square of the first term and square of the second term. But what precaution you should take? When can you use this formula? When the first number is same in both and the second number is also same. Let us take some examples. Let us say 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So now you can see 2x is same in both and 1 is also same in both the brackets. One is having a minus sign and one is having a plus sign. So it is in the form a minus b, a plus b, where 2x is becoming a and 1 is becoming b. So our formula here is a square minus b square. So a square means 2x the whole square minus 1 square. We just open this bracket, 2 square is 4 and x square is x. So 4 square minus 1. This becomes the answer. Let's take another example. Let us say 2x minus 3y in the first bracket, 2x plus 3y in the second bracket. Now again you can see 2x is same and 3y is also same in both the brackets. One is having minus, the other is having plus. So it is in the form a minus b, a plus b. So definitely we can use the formula a square minus b square. So what is a here? 2x. And what is b? 3y. So when I say a square, it will become 2x square minus b square. B square is nothing but 3y square. So we just open the bracket. 2 square is 4 and x into x is x square minus 3 square is 9 and y into y is y square. So this becomes the answer for a square minus b square. So these are the three identities which you have learnt in the lower classes. One was a plus b the whole square. Second was a minus b the whole square. And the third one was a plus b into a minus b. So this is just a revision that we have done. Now let us go to an identity which we will start in this year. So in this case also, let us say we have two brackets. One is x plus a and the other is x plus b. Now here also you can see that the first number in both the brackets is same. This is the criteria it should fulfill. If it is different, you cannot use this formula. And the other two numbers can be different. And even the signs can be same or different. It doesn't make a difference. The formula will remain the same. So what formula we have for this is we square the first term, that is x square. And for the middle term, what we do is we add the second term from here and multiply it with the first term. And the last term will be the multiplication of the two, that is a into b. Now how do we get this formula? Let us very quickly see how we are getting this formula. You remember how to multiply two binomials, right? We multiply x with both these numbers, then a with both these numbers. So x into x, x square. X into b is bx. Now I have multiplied x with both these. Now I will multiply a with these two. A into x is ax and a into b is again ab. Now you can see I got x square. Now from these two terms we can remove x common outside. What will remain inside is b plus a, or I can write it as a plus b, and last term is ab. So you can see we got this formula x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right? So why do we use this formula is we are saving steps. We don't want to open the brackets and multiply. If the first number is same in both the brackets, we can definitely use this formula and get our answers in a very short steps. Let us take some examples. So let us say I have x plus 2 and x plus 3. Right? Now you can see x is same. Now this is becoming my a and this is becoming my b. Now our formula is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right? This is our formula. So let us substitute. First is x. So x square plus. Now in the bracket we have a plus b. So a is 2, b is 3. So we will write 2 plus 3 into x. X is nothing but the first term plus last two terms a into b, that is 2 into 3. So what you have is x square plus 2 plus 3 is 5x and 2 into 3 is 6. So we get our answer. Now this is a very important formula which you should be using for your higher classes also. So you can just see this is an equation where the last term is product of two numbers, 2 into 3, and the middle number is addition of the same two numbers, 2 and 3, right? So this is a very important thing that you should remember, that when you have such an equation, usually the last number will be product or multiplication of two numbers and the middle number will be addition of the same two numbers. This formula again we will be using in factorization. So you should remember this. Let's take one more example. Let us say 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 4y. Now here again you can see the first term is same, 3x, 3x, and the remaining two are different. So now 2y is becoming a and 4y is becoming b. Now I know the formula is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is my formula. So now according to me this 3x now is x. So in the formula first number square, that is square, x square is nothing but squaring the first number. The first number is 3x. So 3x square plus. Now what is a here? 2y. And what is b here? 4y. A is nothing but the second term. B is the second term. A is the second term in the first bracket. B is the second term in the second bracket. So we add them two and we multiply with x. What is x? X is the first term. So 3x. Next, AB. So 2y into 4y. Now see, open the bracket. 3 square is 9x square. Now let's solve this bracket first. 2y plus 4y is 6y multiplied by 3x. And then 2 into 4 is 8. Y into y is y square. So what we get? 9x square. Now here we can multiply. 6 into 3 is 18. X into y is xy plus 8y square. So you can see we have expanded our two brackets using our formula x square plus plus a plus b into x plus ab. Let's very quickly let us see some four examples with negative sign in between now. So let us say I have a question x plus 8 and x minus 2. Now here also you can see that the first number is same. So this is my x term, this is my a term and this is my b term. So what is the formula? Formula will not change. A plus b multiplied by x plus ab. This is my formula, right? So now first term, what is x? X is nothing but the first term. So here first term is x square plus a plus b, that is this plus this. So 8 plus, now there is a minus sign here. So we will write 8 plus minus 2 into x, that is the first term, plus a into b. A is 8 and b is minus 2. So now let's open the bracket. 8 minus 2 is 6x and 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. So this is how we have expanded, right? So whether this number is plus or minus, it doesn't make a difference to the formula. The formula will remain the same. What you have to remember is only that the first number should be same. It cannot be different. Let us take one more example. 2x minus 4y and 2x plus 3y. Now again you can see 2x is same. So now this first term 2x is x, 4y is a and 3y is b. So now our formula is x square plus A plus B into X plus AB. We should always remember this X is not just X. What it refers to is the first number in the question. It can change. It can be whatever it is given in the question, right? For example, here it was 3x, right? The value of X is 3x. Here the value of X was X. Here also the value of X was X. But in this case, the value of X is 2x. That means whichever is the first number is X. So now I will substitute the value of X, which is nothing but 2x. So 2x the whole square plus a plus b. What is a here now? This is minus 4y. So now here in the bracket you should take the numbers along with the signs. And b is 3y multiplied by x. X is nothing but the first term. First term is 2x plus a into b. A is minus 4y multiplied by 3y. Let's open the bracket. 2 square is 4. X raised to 2 is x raised to 2. Now, minus 4 plus 3. One number is minus, one is plus. We should do subtraction and give the sign of the bigger number. So, 4 minus 3 is 1 and we give the sign of the bigger number. So, we get minus 1y into 2x. Now, this also. 4 into 3 is 12 and one number is minus. So, we get minus 12. Y into y is y square. Let's open this up. This minus sign. So 2 into 1 is 2. X into y is xy minus 12y square. Right? This is how we do it. Now let's take one more with a fraction. This can be even used for fractions. Let us say I have a plus 1 upon 2 and a minus 3 upon 2. Now here also you can see the first number is same. So I can use this formula again. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So now here this is my x, this is a and this is b. So what is x square will be a square, right? So a square plus what is a? 1 upon 2 plus what is b? Minus 3 upon 2. Multiplied by x. X is nothing but a plus ab. That is 1 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2. Here all the numbers you should take with the sign. Whenever there is a minus sign, you should take the number along with the minus sign. Okay. Now you know how to solve this. Both the denominators are 2. So definitely we can add or subtract the numerator. It will become 1 minus 3 into a. And for multiplication, you know, we just have to multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Now let us solve this bracket. Now again you can see here 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So we do subtraction and sign of the bigger number. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and we give the sign of the bigger number. Now I am changing the sign here because plus into minus is minus. So I am changing this sign, or if you are using a plus sign, you can even put a minus sign here in the bracket and keep both are correct. Either you change it because you can see plus into minus is minus. So directly if you will write minus, it will be correct. Or if you are writing plus, you can write the minus sign in the bracket. Now you can see this will get cancelled and what will remain is only minus 1. So we have a square plus minus 1a plus minus 3 upon 4. Now you can see here I am using all plus signs. But now for opening the brackets, plus into minus is minus. So you can write minus a. Again plus into minus is minus. So minus 3 upon 4. This is the answer that we will get. So this was the identity that we have learned this year. What was it? That is, if there are two brackets like x plus a and x plus b, where the first number is same, it should be absolutely same. These two numbers can be different. That is, a and b can be different. And then what is the formula? First number square plus a plus b multiplied by the first number x plus multiplication of the second number, that is a into b. So whatever question is given, you just have to substitute the values in this formula, multiply and open the brackets and solve. Thank you.